स्टूडेंट, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो बच्चे, जो बायो का पेपर है तो वो उसका सोल्यूशन करवा रही हूँ। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट फीचर ऑफ वेजिटेटिव प्रोपागेशन इज दैट इट इज़ मेथड फॉर प्रोड्यूसिंग अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ इंडिविजुअल genetically identical to the parent. Vegetative propagation in water hyacinth occur by offset. Pollen grain are well preserved as fossil because of presence of sporolanin, that is the covering. Spiny or sticky pollen grains are attracted. Colory flowers are associated by pollination by insects. The cell of endosperm have 24 chromosomes. What will be the number of chromosomes in the gametes is 8. The true embryo develops a result to fusion of egg cell and male gamete. While planning for an artificial hybridization program involving dioecious plant, which of the following step would not be relevant? That is the bagging of female flower. Which part of the sperm plays an important role in penetrating the egg membrane? That is acrosome. The diagram ABC part show करने, A is acrosome, B is neck, C is tail. Temperature of the scrotum, which is necessary for the functioning of testes, is always 2 degrees Celsius. This stage of parturition is called afterbirth. In this stage, placenta is expelled out. Ovulation in human female is induced by hormone luteinizing hormone. Sexually transmitted disease, that is AIDS, affect the sex organ. In case of infertile couple, male has a very low sperm count. तो जो नॉर्मल इसमें जो होगा आर्टिफिशियल इंसेमिनेशन करवाई जाएगी. इंक्रीज इन्फेंट मोर्टेलिटी रोड कोई भी सिग्निफिकेंट रोल नहीं प्ले करेगा. नॉट कॉज सिग्निफिकेंट चेंज इन ग्रोथ रेट. नेक्स्ट वन इज पर्सन हैविंग जीनोटाइप AB should blood group as AB. तो this is the example of codominance. Two tall plants है तो वो offspring having few dwarf lump. What would be the genotype of the both parent? तो offspring में few dwarf plants हैं तो tall भी होंगे. तो इसके लिए दोनों tall लेने हैं तो दोनों tall ये होंगे. तो dwarf भी बनाना है तो dwarf जो बनेंगे that is small tt. मेंडल्स लॉ ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट असॉर्टमेंट, इसमें जीन्स जो प्रेजेंट होते हैं होमोलोगस क्रोमोसोम पे. कलर ब्लाइंड वुमेन है, मैरिड टू विजन मेल, ऑफस्प्रिंग में होंगे ऑल सन्स कलर ब्लाइंड होंगे, डॉटर कैरियर्स होंगी. जिस नेक्स्ट जेनेटिक डिसऑर्डर दैट इज डाउन सिंड्रोम. न्यूक्लियोसाइड्स डिफर फ्रॉम द न्यूक्लियोटाइड, इस यहाँ पे फॉस्फेट ग्रुप आएगा, ऑप्शन सी. Sickle cell anemia is a from base substitution in a gene. This is an example of point mutation. A, B, C mark करना है. A is template DNA, B is discontinuous, C is continuous synthesis. If a double stranded DNA has a 30% of cytosine, calculate the percentage of adenine in 20%. तो your sequence is 5' to 3'. Industrial melanism is an example of natural selection. Analogous organ arise due to convergent evolution. After about how many years? तो 500 million years के बाद life arise हुई थी. तो this is the example of homologous organ. The character that proves that frog is arise from, that is the tadpole larva in frog. तो antibodies is present in IgA type. तो इस next ringworm in human beings is called trichophyton. Not lymphoid tissue is pancreas. तो ये आंसर दिए गए तो आप चेक कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. ऑल्सो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल.